Ever dreamed of transforming your vacation property with a cozy hideaway that's both functional and stylish? Introducing our signature Hideaway Bunkie, the perfect addition to make those dreams a reality. And now, if you're in Michigan, this is your golden opportunity. You can win one of our most popular bunkies and expand your space for creativity, relaxation, or joyful gatherings with friends and family. Join the ranks of our delighted winners who've transformed their properties and lives.
Awesome! I'm so excited! I can't believe we won!
Winning it, that was just beyond belief.
Our unique design assembles in a snap, allowing you to build lasting memories in no time at all. Featured in House & Home magazine, HGTV, even catching the eye of every single investor on Dragon's Den.
$1 billion is 20% of the business. You get 5 dragons. We're all in.
We love the product too.
Deal.
We're into, absolutely. Our bunkies stand out for their durability and style. Don't be one of those who miss out. Enter now to make your dream space a reality. Click the link to join our contest before it's too late.